أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحیم السلام علیکم ورحمۃ اللہ وبرکاتہ۔ امید ہے کہ آپ خیریت سے ہوں گے۔ خیر مقدم ہے آپ کا کلاس 9 جیوگرافی میں ہم پڑھ رہے ہیں ڈرینیج۔ اس میں ہم نے پچھلے لیکچر میں پڑھا ریور سسٹم آف انڈیا۔ مینلی جو انڈین ریورس ہے ان کو ہم دو حصوں میں تقسیم کرتے ہیں، ایک ہمالین ریورس اور دوسرا پیننسولر ریورس۔ جہاں تک ہمالین ریورس کا سوال ہے، یہ پیرینیل ہے، دے فلو تھرو آؤٹ دا ایئر بیکاز دے اوریجنیٹ فرام دا سنو کلیڈ mountains, while as the peninsular rivers they don't have any permanent source like glaciers, and they are seasonal and they dry during the summer seasons, during the hot season. And the Himalayan rivers, they bring silt and the sand along with them because the water flow is very much fast. And as far as the Himalayan rivers are concerned, today we will discuss them, that the Himalayan rivers, then after we will discuss the peninsular rivers. As far as the Himalayan rivers, there are three main rivers like the river Indus, Ganga and Brahmaputra. You can see in your map this, from this very point, it is in Tibet. There is a Mansarovar lake here, and this river Indus originates from this place near Mansarovar lake, and then it enters into the Ladakh UT. Then after the Gilgit-Baltistan, that is the Pakistan administered Kashmir, and then after it flows into the Pakistan, and then after it is joined by the tributaries like river Jhelum, river Chenab, and river Ravi and Satluj at Punjab. That means these are the 5 abs, 5 waters. The place where 5 waters meet, it's called Punjab. And one of the portion of Punjab, it is administered by the India, and another is administered, rather it is the part of Pakistan. And then after, and we will see how this Indus rises, and this is the river Indus, and then there is river Brahmaputra, you can see, and it's this in your map. In Tibet it is known as Sangpo, then after it comes to the Arunachal Pradesh, and finally it flows into the Bay of Bengal, and this river it flows into the Arabian Sea. Then there is another river, it is called the river Ganga, and it originates from the Gangotri glacier in the Himalayas, and then after it is joined by different tributaries, and finally it flows into the Bay of Bengal. We will discuss it later on. And as far as the Indus is concerned, it rises in the Tibet near Mansarovar lake, as I showed you, that and then after it flows to the west. It flows to the west, then after it enters into the Ladakh, then after, and it is joined by several tributaries like Zaskar, rather we can say Zanskar, Nubra, Shok and Hunza. And then after it enters into the this Kashmir region, and it as I told you earlier, then after it flows into the Gilgit and Baltistan, that are the part of the United Jammu and Kashmir. And then after it is it flows into the Pakistan, and it is joined by different rivers, as I told you, that it is joined by river Indus, Satluj, Bias, Ravi, Chenab and Jhelum. They join together, and this Indus near the Mithankot in Pakistan, they join. This is the place where 5 waters meet. It's Mithankot in Pakistan, and then after it flows towards the southwards, and finally it flows into the Arabian Sea. You can see yourselves it on the map, and then after it reaches to the Karachi, and finally it flows into this uh, Arabian Sea. And the length, its total length is 2900 kilometers. It's one of the 20 longest rivers of the world. And as all of you might know, that the longest river in the world, it is the Nile. And this river Indus, it is one of the longest rivers of the world. And then after then after we will see this river. It is a little over a third of the Indus basin is located in India, in the UT of Jammu and Kashmir, UT of Ladakh, and Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, and rest is in the Pakistan. That means one third of the river Indus, it is located Indus basin, it is located in India, and rest, the 70%, it is located in the Pakistan, the neighboring country of India. And there is a piece of information in the box that according to the regulations of the Indus Water Treaty, Indus Water Treaty has been signed between India and Pakistan in 1960. One more question can be asked in your examination, that Indus Water Treaty, IWT, it was signed between which countries? It is India and Pakistan, or the date may be asked that when was Indus Water Treaty signed between India and Pakistan? It is 1960. That means India can use only 20% of the total waters carried by the Indus River system. ठीक है, यानी जो इंडस रिवर सिस्टम है उसका 20% पानी इस्तेमाल कर सकता है हिंदुस्तान, ठीक है, इंडस रिवर से. द वाटर इज यूज्ड फॉर इरिगेशन इन पंजाब, हरियाणा एंड साउथ वेस्टर्न पार्ट्स ऑफ द राजस्थान. इस तरह से ये एक ट्रीटी है जिसको हम बोलते हैं सिंध ताउस माहिदा, जो हिंदुस्तान और पाकिस्तान के दरमियान हुआ है. तो आज हमने पढ़ा रिवर इंडस के बारे में. इंशाल्लाह अगले लेक्चर में हम रिवर गंगा और ब्रह्मपुत्रा के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. तो हमने देखा कि ये ओरिजिनेट होता है रिवर इंडस तिब्बत से, वहाँ पर एक लेक है, मानसरोवर लेक के पास से इसका ओरिजिन है. Then after it flows into the Ladakh, then Gilgit-Baltistan, Kashmir region, and then after it flows into the Pakistan, then it is joined by the this 5 major rivers, that is called the place where they meet. It's called as Panj Ab, 5 waters: Jahlim, Chenab, Ravi, Satluj, and another it is called Bias. ठीक है, 5 आब जहाँ पर मिलते हैं तो उस एरिया को हम बोलते हैं पंज आब. और कभी कभी हमारे पास होता है 2 आब, जिस तरह से हमारे यहाँ कश्मीर में एक प्लेस है 2 आब का, जहाँ पर रिवर जो नाला मावरी, दैट मीन्स रिवर जो नाला मावर और नाला पोहरू जहाँ पर मीट करते हैं, उस जगह को बोलते हैं 2 आबगाह, दबगाव या कशर पहुंच होना. Then after it flows to the river Jahlim. Collectively 2 आबगाह के पास यानी 2 आब्स, 2 waters. यहाँ पर पंजाब के लिए है 5 waters. पंज मीनस 5 एंड आब मीनस waters. और फाइनली जो रिवर इंडस है ये कहाँ पर, ये अरबियन सी में फ्लो करता है. और इसी के चूंकि जो इंडिया का नाम भी आया है इंडस रिवर से ही, ठीक है, इसको हम बोलते हैं इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन, भी हम आपने पढ़ा होगा इधर 6th में. तो इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन ये वो तहजीब थी जो इसी रिवर सिस्टम के इर्द गिर्द आबाद थी आज से हज़ारों साल पहले. तो इस तरह से हमने देखा रिवर इंडस के बारे में. तो इंशाल्लाह अगले लेक्चर में हम रिवर गंगा के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. थैंक यू.